found out about these cleaning kits that help you support. Well, I was really looking for USB cleaning kits, but these are for your entire phone. So as you can see on the back here, these have all kinds of accessories, 32 I guess to be exact. So as we open it up here, we can see that it's all wrapped up. There's some instructions. We'll go ahead and open the top here, which will give us access to the first, which is the first tool, which is kind of outside the item, and that's a magnetic brush. You can push this forward, and now the brush comes out. On this side, there's like a piece of suede that you can use for cleaning screens and things like that, and it magnetically attaches in here. Then you push this button, and that'll release the inside part. And this opens up from both sides, and all your brushes and wands and foam bits are here. It's a pretty nice kit. Great reviews. That's why I bought it. Quit cleaning the USB ports. Hope this helps.